I think it was just a wonderful opportunity to meet some female colleagues and to try to, have nice projects together. Basically, from my teaching experience, I could see that female dentists or female students are sometimes less confident in, starting with, for example, surgeries or more complex procedures. They usually prepare very well, but they are sometimes a bit afraid to jump. And, being in this wide WIN network would help them to find some role models eventually, or to exchange with, young professionals or female professionals that experience the same fears. So it is just a wonderful networking opportunity. It is about, I think, organization, and I can tell you I'm not the most organized person, but also to be, have nice collaborations, both at work, but also in the private life. For example, at work, I'm someone that is actually easy to delegate, and I have a wonderful team, and I just give them some responsibilities, and it helps all of us to grow and to be then more efficient, more performant, and of course it leaves me some rooms to do my teaching research and continuing education and so on. It is also very important to be organized at home. For example, in my case, since my kids were born, we have an au pair at home, and they are, wonderful big sisters usually for my kids, and this is also a cultural experience. But they're definitely also helping a lot in raising them, educate them, and sometimes help you with a few of the household. And and I also have to mention that it's also the way you get organized with your family, with your partner. I have to say that I have a very modern husband. He also takes this part of responsibility. I think today this is perfectly normal to have female being passionate and dedicated to their professional life. I would just say, learn first in order to feel confident, and then jump. You can make it.